It's 32.95, 26.28. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, can you go thumbs up on it? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they can come and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, can you hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Friday, November 1st, 2024. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.